Hello everyone, I'm Isha and welcome back to my channel. Also say hi to this little cutie because I realized that my voice is a bit low in my videos. So it definitely needed a mic. Does it work well? Okay. Welcome to a very random vlog, and as you've read by the title, it's gonna be a period routine vlog or whatever you say. I woke up 2 hours ago, went to the washroom, my eyes were not fully open, and then oh, it's blood. And my period started. Also, some of you may feel that it's too much of information that I'm sharing, like on social media, like YouTube. But for me, it's normal. Like periods are normal, and making a vlog, even that is normal. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and watch it till the end. So I had my breakfast of aloo ka paratha and then chai with it. This is my ideal breakfast that I have been having for years now. Well, I think breakfast is very important, and apart from the other two meals that are lunch and dinner, I love breakfast. So I had that, and it's around 1 o'clock right now, and I'm home alone. I can have burger in the evening, but for now I'm having a healthy snack. I'm thinking of eating cucumbers because that's the best, healthiest snack. Also, I'm watching this series called Young Sheldon, and I'm basically on episode 3. So far, so good. I'm loving it. So, I'm gonna be eating my kheeras while watching Young Sheldon. Okay, I took a shower and let's do the skincare part because skincare is important. Ignore anything that seems messy in the background. We use toner. Um, in my previous video, I have shown how much I love this toner because it's lightweight, absorbs really quickly into the skin, and just tap tap tap. The next step is this very loved product, not just by me, but I think by the whole world. I use 2 pumps of it, mix a little, and I firstly place it all over my face, a little bit on the neck. I'm sorry if I'm touching the mic. This product, this स्नेल म्यूसिन, इसने मेरी स्किन पे बहुत सारा कमाल दिखाया. स्किन शाइनिंग में, स्किन ब्राइटनिंग में, एक्ने कम करने में, it does all the job. That is why I have only 3-step skincare routine for now. Otherwise, you can also include your face mask if you want to do self-care during your periods, because I think doing self-care, skincare, makeup, or anything that comes under self-care is very important. This is the moisturizer, the last part of my skincare. So this is my everyday, not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week. 3 times is the most I can do. Okay, now the skincare is done. Where's my lip balm? Okay, wait. This is the Blue Heaven Jelly and Butter lip balm. It's in the shade uh, light red. This is the third purchase, and it's almost over, so I'm gonna restock. This is a good product because it has been approved by many friends of mine. I mean, few friends of mine. Wearing my sunglasses, my chashmas. Hmm? These are the little things that you can do while you're on your periods. So I'm gonna spend time doing things and vlogging so that I don't end up crying. Guys, eat your seeds, nuts. It's very important.
sausage.
Good morning, everyone. From the next day, I slept last night like anything. I couldn't shoot last night क्योंकि I had severe cramps और थोड़ा सा लो फील हो रहा था तो कुछ शूट करने का मन नहीं किया. I woke up and changed my patch, got freshen up, had my hot water with lemon in it, जो कि I try to do every morning. Right now, what I'm doing is, let me show you. Now, this is my morning journal. I practice journaling like every morning. Since 2020, मैं journaling में हूँ. I mean, not the profession वाला. This type of journaling is different. If you know, you know. और मेरे पास बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के जर्नल्स हैं. तो जैसे मॉर्निंग जर्नल है, देन आई हैव अ ब्रेन डंप वाला जर्नल जिसमें कुछ भी थॉट्स आता है, कुछ भी दिन में जो भी चल रहा है वो लिख दो बिना कुछ सोचे समझे. दिस इज दी मॉर्निंग जर्नल है. इसमें आप लिखो कि मेरी मॉर्निंग आज की कैसी थी, लाइक हाउ एम आई दिस मॉर्निंग या हाउ दिस मॉर्निंग वॉज, ऐसा कुछ करके. एंड देन कभी कभार क्या होता है, मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिख देती हूँ एंड देन आई ट्राई टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पूरा तो नहीं पढ़ूंगी, but like today I woke up with so many bad and sad dreams to the point I was breathing heavily. This is a self-care tip during periods, and not just during periods, but I think it should be followed by everyone. Okay, I'm done writing in my journal, and this is a reminder for everyone. Please practice journal, it actually helps you a lot. And we have come to the end of this video. I really hope this video makes sense, and really hope that you guys will like this video. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And see you next time. Bye bye.